before we can actually remove the old water heater, we must drain it. And as you see here, at the bottom where we would drain it, the calcium build up, and there's no way we can get a hose on it. So we're going to try something else with this one today. And here you can see the control valves in the operating system. This is a very old hot water heater. And we're following the gas line up, which is a 3/8 gas line, soft copper, which should be hard rigid pipe. And we're going to replace that with black iron pipe, 1/2 inch. What we wanted to do here is just give you a nice view of the old gas line that's in place, and of course right there, that's the flue. And all of this gas line here will be replaced, as we were saying earlier. And now let's give you a better view of the water coming into the hot water tank. If you notice, we're zooming in on the main cutoff going into the hot water tank, and we're going to replace that one with a new one. This is kind of old. And here we have the main cutoff coming into the building, which is in the basement. And most main cutoffs in any basement, you're going to find them in the at the front of the building. And if there's a corner house, you may find it on either side of any street that may be facing the main street where the main service is. And here, first thing we're going to do, we have the gas cut off. We're going to remove the old gas piping. Now we're going to disconnect the water lines from the hot water heater itself, which, by the way, all of this will be changed to 3/4 inch M copper. As we said at the beginning of the video, we need to drain the hot water heater before we can actually remove it from the basement. And normally we would put a water hose on here and run it to a floor drain, but in this particular case, what we've done is we've moved the water heater over with a dolly next to a floor drain, and we're letting it drain out there.